Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making diabetic friendly, sugar free and high fat laddus, coconut laddus for you all. The ingredients are fresh cream I've taken, my sugar substitute is erythritol, vanilla essence, and I've taken Amul butter. You don't require 200 grams, just 100 gram would be very much enough. So let's start with making the condensed milk. I am making in a huge quantity, that's why I'm taking 1 liter of cream. You can reduce the quantity. I like to store it because I'll be using it for making some other recipes too. So I've taken it in a pan and I'm going to let it all the water evaporate out of the cream. So the process is happening right now, that you can see. Because I've taken a huge quantity, like 1 liter at a go, so it did take me a longer time for the whole of the water to get evaporated. Now once the water is nicely evaporated, I'm adding the sugar free, which is erythritol here, my sugar substitute, and I'm going to nicely mix it well. I've added around 1.5 cup. So the whole thing I did not add together. One thing, because my space is little, the space constrained, because I've taken 1 liter at a go. So I didn't want to just overflow it. I'm adding the vanilla essence at this point in time. In total, it took me 45 minutes to prepare the condensed milk itself. So yeah, in simmer you need to keep mixing it. And once, even after mixing vanilla essence, I'm adding unsalted butter, very important, because we don't want condensed milk to taste like salty taste to be there. So once that is done, you mix this also, let it incorporate very well. So this is one time process. You just make it and you can store it in the fridge up to around 2 weeks. And if it is there, you can just take it and make whatever dessert you want to make out of it. So today I am making it in bulk and I'm going to store it, and remaining after taking out the ones which I require for making the laddus. So this is nicely done. Just to check whether the condensed milk is ready, you can just run your finger through it and it has to be separated and it will get thickened up. And the excess, I'm just going to put it in a jar and store it in the fridge. Now moving on to how to make laddus. Very simple. Very simple also, because I have taken ready-made flour here. If you want, you can take freshly grated coconut also. So what I'm going to do is, I've already taken flour in a bowl, and I'm going to add cardamom powder to this, and then I'm going to add the condensed milk. So 2 cup of coconut flour and 1 cup of condensed milk I'm added here. So you need to see, if you're taking fresh ones, they'll be all the more moist. So please adjust and see. Don't pour it all at once like what I did here. You can put half of it and see how the consistency is, and then you can pour the rest. I'm basically making this because I am of course conscious that I'm going to have a lot of sugar infused sweets, so I don't want that happening for this Diwali. So that's why this year I'm trying to make as much sweet at home as possible. I'm not going to buy it from outside either. So yeah, this is how my laddus turned out to be. This was super simple. The only difficult part was making the condensed milk. It was not difficult, it was time consuming. Hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Happy Diwali everybody in advance. Take care and stay safe.